Hello, friends, and welcome to a new chapter of the Thief3 editing. Sorry, and this night we will see how to create a looping script or trigger script. In order to create a looping script, I advise to create a global int variable. So you have to go into the Thief3 editor folder, content T3 flags. Into the flags folder, you can find a text file called flags. Open it, and then ints. A text file called ints. Open it, and then you can see a bunch of global ints. You don't have just to add here a new name, for example, looping movement, and then copy this values there. So, and there's yet one thing to do. Add one number here. So now is 233. We are going to modify to 234. Save it, and then close the text file. And close this editor, relaunch the editor. I have already prepared the scripts, so we just have to see how to create. I can open, for example, the test map here with this dummy animation file, and then to create a looping script, you have of course add the script properties here, and then trigger script. You have to add three scripts, three: test animation start, test animation 1, test animation 2. Test animation start, you can click, you have to click here and create the test animation start script. Let's see how to create it. Let's analyze what I've done before. Test animation start. The previous time I've created a script with a random seed. Now we are going to set all new created variables. So click here and search for movement, looping movement. Here it is. Can you see it? So if you add one row in the text file, that means that is a new global int at your pleasure, your wish. It's not important what you write. So looping movement, and we are going to change set loop when map sim starts either from travel, load, or launcher. Set looping movement to 0. This is test animation start. Click on OK when you are done this. Condition and actions, obviously, of course. OK. Apply the script on the object. Then create the second script. Test animation 1. Now, when random seed, we have to change with the looping movement. When looping movement becomes equal to 0, this means that when the global variable is equal to 0, start my animation, etc., etc., etc. This is the action you have to make. You can make when the looping movement is equal to 0. Pay attention. You cannot use a query if looping movement is equal to 0 because it's not functioning. You have to use when looping movement becomes equal to 0. So you can make your animation here, your action, and then pay attention now. Modify. Here it is random seed. We are going to change modify looping movement to 1. Reset script condition and action. Okay. This is the second script you have to apply to this object. Now for the third script, test animation 2. When let's change here to when looping movement becomes equal to 1 action, you are here, you can put all your action, and then set looping movement to 0. So we are going to create a chain reaction because when is 1, the looping movement change to 0. With the previous script, when is 0 become after the all this action becomes to 1. So is a circular action, and then there's a looping script. So now we have done with this animation. Before you can click here, since this editor is very baggy, you have to, when you have applied all the 3 script, I advise you to save your work here, save, because this one is important. And then, not okay, click save and refresh. Wait for a minute, or depending on how fast your processor is, your CPU. We are going to wait now a little bit. Okay, it's almost done. Now the trigger script manager has done to save all the script. You have not to click X here. Remember, not, and then neither click OK here. You have to click cancel, because if you click X on OK, this fucker is saving another time. Sometime it will crash. So you are going to cancel. Don't save another time, just to be safe, and then build and play a level or sandbox. In my case, I use a sandbox Xbox. Let's see how it works now. If it works, this mesh will be stretching on the below. Here it is. You can see the pattern is 4 times. If it goes more, our looping script is functioning. You can see it does 6 times, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so go on forever. Now we have created a looping trigger script you can use, for example, for piston on going up and down, up and down, up and down piston, or mechanical piston, or adding on your object with a looping script. You can also create add the delay on the game, so you can repeat the action any amount of the second of the game. So you can delay the action. So we are done for this tutorial. I hope you like this video. give a like, subscribe for more. In the further time, I will upload more Thief3 editor videos, because it is this topic was not present in my channel for a while, and I think I willing to take back all this matter. So see you the next time. Subscribe, give a like, and goodbye. Have a good day. Have a good day.